I'm on an instant baby between the everywhere.
First of all, Mekai last season. Season you drew baby. Emma players busy say Makukuera. Player busy say Enzo Fernandez mo. Eko make comments be. And those comments were suggestive. Say, I said, Chelsea yakwa kwaye enkra team dodo. Mekaipa. After those comments, there were nkumubia koko so within the Chelsea setup. MRF ebeto just said Chelsea paying for a promising players and they say if free next season Econo, they are not only going to target Nkrankoa, but they will bring experienced players. Na omodi afratimo. Enti se okay sa ade na esi last season na uyo obi a why you say obe follow Chelsea. I mean sure said then it will make sense. Say this season na obe expect it. Sa experienced players no. Ombe ye hwanmoa and hwanmo na Chelsea do mbeba on board no. Now Rich say udi wani share internet ni swa na ugeji Chelsea fans, you know, and even outside Chelsea fans, you know, or normal football fans, na. Eya kwa say they are not really against bringing in the experience, but the correct word they say the least expected say ebe Jordan Henderson money than Welbeck mo. That is the best description. Say okay, ye nyahontie from last season say and paying for say this time around next transfer window no omo the experience and maturity kakra beba. But Edin Granit Xhaka, Edin Jordan Henderson, Edin Danny Welbeck start say eba no. It take people by surprise. We knew and paying for beba but not yes, say way more. Now my first question is if you were not expecting Henderson, Welbeck more, then Obi say sign and now we're expecting. Obi and I would have loved to meet
Chelsea fans in the
Obi
players in the
Obi say saying Obi said where you can say Obi or experience or you mature that. A demon say sign and I will expect and kebabano. See sometimes Ayana enye easy sao. Say na what tinche no. Now, if you are put on the spot to say you expected experience and maturity, Bobby Dia, you will struggle to say, oh, na me expect say way more. Marriage. You started from Jordan Henderson. Jordan Henderson was part of the English team called Walk Up Yao. Adidn't ya? A dear na coaches ehu Jordan Henderson mu. The normal football fan attacking is on shada nimbo, and so he's always there. I remember a story be almost 18 years ago. Jordan Henderson moving from the academy no, and of course Sunderland Kobo more reserve team no U21. Into during one pre-season be ball a non-league side be your friend Gershad. Sad time you know. Now Roy Keane and a Sunderland coach. And Roy Keane na nkasa akofani chocho muncho Neil Bailey. So coach Sunderland under 21 no. Enti Neil Bailey na day under 21 a ball Gershad for him. Gershad for Omumbo League, a non-league side, a pre-season, and almost share Sunderland U21 for him. Who do you man you ni unim Roy Keane? Ni kukwa pai. Wa nche bo ni bi o. But o tell results no. No say say. Ti ma memo example. See eti Kumasi here. Na ya say Kotoko youth team no. You say be atonsu select side. Aba be shem wada ko jachi. Now all of a sudden I think like say you team no. Now them cry there the home. Rich. Then he come quickly to the training grounds. Rocking and afraid you 21 players singing and I call lock you share dressing room. And no more. Say hey. Sebi mo nim dia mo pe on. And the mean am gina mo nim. And na 21 na mo bo no. E obi anu so de hu say obey promoted to the first team. First team so coach ye me a. Na se mo bo game shed na se mo lose games ni dia. And e na bo no mo nyama yu se mo bo. Ni gina mo nim. Mumu hwan, mumu players ya mo gina. Mumu hwan. And o gidi say based on any performance, you know, or football career, Rich, you know how Rocky is a legend of the game, and obeying the way, oh, the was exactly. Meaning, so since I knew Fizal, expect say, oh, yeah. Oh, the year first team players cry, now the year U21 players. Players in Nabuto. Uncrano. So mum can say why mumu why. I know Guinness or career of football after and Guasa Mogueno. Rich, the only U21 player who could stand up and speak was Jordan Henderson. And you told Roy Keane, say, oh no, Jordan Henderson, or Gidi say, or career in football. Unim says, na Jordan Henderson here, you know. Now, more preseason, the next game for Sunderland ever preseason, you know, was against Ayala. Rich, he was the only U21 player. Roy Keane, Emma and the boss are matching be ever preseason to the first team. 3 months later, Chelsea share Sunderland 5-0. Roy Keane, after Chelsea share Sunderland 3, introduced Jordan Henderson as a substitute in the second half. Nhyira's first competitive game against Chelsea. Just because he impressed and you're pitching so, but what's in the character. Rich, catch me. If it's a Jordan Henderson Dino. Dabena club will be a obobiano to you and in your mind. Just to be accepted. Sana ne career in that year. Jordan Henderson, in the minds of a typical football fan, has never been a good player. And see, on no mentioned onimo. On say baby obekobiano. Even though he was a captain of Liverpool or the Omoji Champions League and the club near Adeno. Even why you said the ring in the baby obekobiano. Jordan Henderson knows in his mind. Say, Okopeki so say Kimbiana, he is still playing for people to accept, say, or a good player. Rich, Obiani in the destiny of the Barbara Boy. So now, from Sunderland, Obebo Liverpool, Ebe captain Liverpool. On Xabi Alonso born Sahon, Ewo Liverpool in 2008, and Xabi Alonso uko. Then he came in. And obey Jumani will Liverpool. Obey captain club is a Liverpool. Not under any manager, under your own club. Rich, if you say it's easy to captain Liverpool, it's not easy. But he found his place in the Liverpool team. Ojidi also Ojibia with Liverpool, no. Interestingly, timer Liverpool announces a Jordan Henderson kono. Rich, unim say players are club a year mark as replacement for Jordan Henderson in about Chelsea. First was Moses Caicedo, second was Romeo Lavia. Omunina na club airport to come and replace Jordan Henderson with Liverpool. Chelsea ended up say omo. Now, after how many years? Henderson echo Nhyira or 85 or Saudi Arabia or Kobo Ayas or me and the captain and Obo Brentford. Rich Senyoma said the Jordan Henderson is coming back to the Chelsea team and you come and compete with Omo Ananka some years ago. Club of us didn't replace you. And to visit Jordan Henderson, Oslo. Say Obeba Chelsea. Na in them Chelsea midfield no. I want to Obe compete with these young guys and more energy. That has been his life. He always have to play for his place in a team. Even when he was captain and all junior, still people had doubt in him. I make kind when Thomas Tuchel enemy England squad no. Now about Jordan Henderson this woman no. People were like Thomas Tuchel no sebi.
Yeah, fine yeah.
Oh yes, sure say. But look, walk up no Ambobi. Yeah. I think it was the game against Mexico. England share Oko jubilate ya ku pray.
Asteka.
Yes, oku pray in the celebration no. Obi wate benjo. Parich. Mahu interviews players like Rogers mo any other team players in the Eka say look. It is so nice to have Jordan Henderson in camp. Because the point is that Rich, imagine someone whose life and you know the biggest virtue I say I was a botre patience because we be engine the baby wakobia into here botre I was a the bonifa perseverance say you say me good enough kana
me ye
me ho akopim so obagimatum that has been his life oh. And it gives him the kind of character on here to come and display. Maybe our Chelsea team, Rich, he is not coming in as a starter. As a player, because Chelsea do to win games. But Rich, he brings you that personality in the dressing room that galvanizes Obia Wakebia. And experience any maturity. It takes years at the top. It takes years of career sacrifices to get there. And Zabi Alonso say when he wants to bring those players in, and Zabi Alonso on decision because he signed him to away from last season. From the Chelsea technical director say they are going to blend. Norwich. Se ofa Premier League ni last season na ofa mpanyimfo na ebo Premier League na se Chelsea again on the same subject of say Chelsea ko fa panyama no se Chelsea ka se omo pe striker wanyini edna be blend team na
obviously
to radar na why wouldn't Welbeck be part of the players that will come on the radar?
You be say Granit Xhaka ball power boy.
Granit Xhaka crowd here, you see?
Ball.
Granit Xhaka was part of the Leverkusen team, Zabi Alonso. And at his age, he was the anchor of that midfield. Granit Xhaka, since was a movie from Leverkusen back to the people. Look at the footballer order. Yes, Nancy and Namafono are discussing football. No? Sometimes you are too obsessed about age. It makes sense. But But Prince, Rich, there are sometimes too you need Obia or you so calm and he's still playing at a very, very matured age. Ebane saying Tony Cruz in Fiano wedding no ofiri Real Madrid. Even after 1-2 seasons, people are saying, nah, now so called Boba could be count, no boom, you be count because Real Madrid still misses him. And you might come America. But you need that maturity. About the side of Real Madrid were given 1 year to Luka Modric just to stay for a little bit longer. But Satan said, I done it about your bench. They were young They could run more than Modric. But Modric was more impactful in the Real Madrid team. And any time biya. And you bring Rich, and now we say as a Barcelona fan. Umame Gerard Martin, any Nico Martinez. Those two areas now, me pay partnership Kubasi now. Every Barcelona fan will agree with me. They will go back to Inigo Martinez. But Sanka, Gerard Martin is younger. Oyakra. And yet Tembiana, football, a young crowd agro. But yet Tembiana, the argument must go in for the young ones. You know. There are sometimes, and Penufona say they also bring something to the table that you need of a sort. And let's allow Xabi Alonso. The ridicule is too much. There are people who even create the impression say it doesn't even make sense. But it makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. Jordan Henderson said America was part of England players from who we are seeing. He was part of the World Cup team. Danny Welbeck was knocking at the doors. Sanka took a BA door to the World Cup no Danny Welbeck. Rich, nobody would have said and Ebeye decision sebi enter because he played very, very well. Look, Team BT said Brighton and Hove Albion. Rich, say upe team e wo wiase ene. Ni DNA ni model. And say Obama nkra chance. Bebe doesn't even beat Brighton. Meboa. So say ye wo team ye dey confirm nkra but it your more opportunity ni akoton. Et ye team no nkra pa ni more opportunity mo. There's few you can compare to Brighton. Argentina in that Brighton young team no. Still Danny Welbeck nyabibo. Still also go. Still the coach Hasler didn't want that say look, he is someone you need in the mix of the young ones. And anytime we bring Park he is giving you productivity. Inti me the bia me kasa say we say Rich in life a dream maybe allow people's perspective so to be on the platform. And you won't go and answer what team. So obi ye bibia. Nasa also ebia to you. It doesn't even make sense. Tolerate it, kaka. Exactly. Let people also have the chance to bring their perspective onto bibia oye. It's yama Alonso opportunity.
Okay.
Now on from penny for the being brand team. The choice of say I assume say an so maintain. I only a coach, you know. Let's allow him to take those decisions, you know. So we will see what he wanted to do with those guys. And to me, that is my opinion on those matters. You know? And yeah, beyond football. Say one crown out them penny for try to blend. And this in Penny have shown consistently, constantly, consecutive years of football say they are still relevant in the game. So why can't you give them the opportunity? And it's now almost our opportunity.
Yeni acheba for a show no our US no the message be about. And about Jordan Henderson, a story now the Maya. I'll say, when Gareth Southgate was leaving England manager post, he wrote that the absence of Jordan Henderson was the reason England had issues in their camp at Euro 2024 in Germany. Also, he continued by saying the chunk of the youngsters in the English team had no one to control them in camp. Yes. He's the only English player to represent England at six major tournaments. Six.
Because of who he is. What would you go pay attention to Jordan Henderson interviews? He is a better person than even a footballer. So Kasa, he's a better person. You say, yes, and your football nipa. He is someone you always want him around. Or more money na will always want him around. Maybe I will teach and I won't so far so. But Obia one encounter the piano says the guy is a very, very good guy. You always want him around. So let's give that room.
Okay.
Maybe let's give that room for people.
Umrana, the end justify the means. I want to hear. About the way to that Chelsea and very, very important.
Wait, a preview kakra.
Okay, kakra.
And now share Emmanuel Afcono.
Kakra bi. You said I'm going to be breeze. And
you know who are there to Nigeria. Rich. Easy. Already no ma share acquire Tanzania for the South Africa for the fast. Na hey, a man of Kono is going to give
us. Canana.
No. People
and I say, I'm on for investing in women's football.
And for Nyantobasia behind the scenes, Edomwa Shema football. And say, oh, share now, oh, tier commentary now. Obviously, the commentators will do more production on teams, no than who send a winning. And see, as will be our football analyst, no. You want to listen to the production of the commentary. Send a bit of information. Bia unnim na odi atiase enoma na ekoso no. And there were two sisters. Omo mu di Nigeria for onya no. Na do se no matengesi no. Bo ni mbo no. She plays in the USA. So washa adia ama ema football air travel wa Africa. As I say Nigeria fans are becoming worried and they say, Rich, say there seems to be a pathway for a man to also go professional. First, no, na obehu osita monoma kobo Barcelona, and some few Nigerian players be no opportunity to go and play abroad until no more exposure no. So mo bana say ye o asambo Hazakes ladies and Pemdakwa ladies and no more makana. Omo shi o ma un se gab ne so. But Rich, and a man who born bono, and so any opportunity to become professional footballers. And to look at the Ghana team, Nottingham Forest, Womu, a bimbo Mexico, a bimbo US, a bimbo Europe. Omu confine expose and a bar. Omu bar no more Nigeria for players now because I say no man about leagues for Europe and America near the and I was so impressed with born I'm share. When you say about a discussion,
sure, yeah,
but my prelims and say we are Ghana ni na eya say na say Black Queens yard here. It is going to be a walk in the park against Cape Verde. Me catch we be na follow tournament no. South Africa out of form back and the most successful countries about my football wa je AFCON no mako 10
Nigeria.
And no o cha no ho nanim. Na ni so bring say ya. Na maka baby you see my face is blacking me. Nenye easy.
Okay, Ayala